Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited because a brand reached out to me and asked me if I would be open to reviewing a few products for them. The brand name is Luxaza and they are sold on Amazon. I have 3 different products to test out with you today. I have not opened any of them. I do know what they sent me, so I have all of my face on. Everything will be linked in the description box below. But we are going to check out these products and I'm going to give you my honest thoughts. What I have here are eyeshadow color sticks. I have an eye primer and I also have a setting spray. So if that sounds interesting, just keep watching and we're going to dive in. I want to try this Luxaza eyeshadow primer. This is a 0.35 ounce container. It retails for $8.99 on Amazon. I'm going to open it up and we will check it out. Comes in a little pot form. This is what it looks like on the inside. And what I'll do is I will take a flat brush, go into this product. Seems very creamy. A lot just came off. I'm actually going to take a little bit off on the back of my hand because you don't want to apply too much eyeshadow primer. And I am going to apply this to my lid. Taking it off the back of my hand. And I have nothing on my lids right now. Feels super creamy. Easily spreadable. If you wanted to use your finger, you absolutely could do that. Then we'll make sure it dries down completely before we go into the shadow sticks. If you're not familiar with eyeshadow primer, it's going to help enhance your eyeshadow. It can help the colors pop. It's going to help with any creasing. It's going to help with any fading. It is always a step that I take in my makeup routine. Next, we'll get into these shadow sticks. I just took them out of the box a little aggressively. And this is what they look like on the inside. There are different variations of shadow sticks. The one that I chose to try out was the Christmas set. And of course I will pop a picture, but it's very neutral shades. I'm gonna take them out of the container so we can swatch them. Here are the first 5. This pink almost looks to be matte. We have more of a rose gold, a champagne, a more pinky shimmer, and then a more copper tone. They're applying beautifully. And here is the second set of 5. Again, this one has very little shimmer. We've got another pinky tone, a more purple tone, copper, and then a lighter shade of brown. They are beautiful, and I do want to point out this packaging. It's very pretty with the diamond-like top that just pops off. And then on the bottom, every one of them has a brush if you would like to use that to smudge. I will try that out today as well. The set that I picked out is 10 pieces and it retails for $27.99 on Amazon. But I just wanted to point out that there are many other variations. You can buy them in singles, you can buy them in smaller sets. I will have, of course, everything linked in the description box below that is on my face. And then the last product is this setting spray that they sent me. It is a 16-hour lock setting mist, blurring and oil absorbing face setting spray for makeup. It retails for $8.99. I am very excited to try this out. I love a good setting spray. Let's work on an eye look. All of the numbers of the shades are on the bottom of the packaging, like this one. Hopefully my camera is focusing. This one is the shade 130 and it's called Muna. I'm gonna start with this one and I'm going to just start applying this in my outer V. Feels very soft on the eye. I'm gonna use the brush that they gave me. And I'm just very gently going over the edges just to diffuse. I'm I'm just diffusing those edges. Just making it even on both sides. Next, I'll go into this shade number 129, which is called Meerkat Shimmer. And I'm going to put that right next to this deeper shade. It's very similar to the first one, but I can see a shimmer. Just adding a little bit of dimension. Next, I'm going in with number 19, which is called Gardenia Shimmer. And you know it's going to be that lightest shade because I love a super bright inner corner. Now we've got 3 different shades going on there, and I might even go in with an even deeper shade on that very outer corner. Number 90 is called Chocolate Truffle, and that is the deepest. So I'm going to sort of use that as a very kind of sloppy liner, but just on that outer edge. And then I could just blend it out a little. Now I will take a clean blending brush and just go over those top edges to make sure that they are seamless. So we want it to blend right into the eye, but these are just super blendable and movable, which I appreciate. I'm going to go back into that Meerkat Shimmer, number 129, and I'm going to go under the eyes with this. This might be my favorite shade. Not tugging on my eyes at all, just glides right over. Ooh, pretty. I'm going to take that Chocolate Truffle, which is the darkest shade that I used. That's number 90. And I'm just going to go in that outer corner like I always do. If you have it up here, you want to meet it down here. I'm going to add a little black liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. I'm back. Mascara is on. I am very pleased with the eye look. I do want to take one of the lightest shades here. This is the shade 73, which is the Salsa Rose. And I'm going to put this in my actual inner corner. Ooh. It's pretty. I'm going to use this same shade as a little bit of a brow highlight. I'm just going to put it on there and then use that brush to soften it. And last but not least, we have the setting spray. It's got a little shaker in there. Let me test out the sprayer. Oh, that's a nice sprayer. Very light scent. And that is the completed look. My thoughts so far on these Luxaza products. The shadow pencils are wonderful. If you are the type that wants the ease of throwing a light medium to deep shimmer on your lid and just blending it out with a brush like on the go, this is the product for you. Or if you just enjoy that ease of blending, if you're more of a cream product type of person, these are fantastic. They blended super easily. I don't see any creasing, which probably also attests to this wonderful eyeshadow primer. This worked great. It wasn't hard to spread. It gave a little bit of coverage. So I love both of these. The setting spray, I can't tell you how well it works. I will post an update on how the eyeshadow pencils wore throughout the day. I'll let you know if there was any creasing that happened. I will keep you updated on the setting spray if I feel like it helped the longevity of my makeup. But so far, so good. I think they are lovely. As I stated, I will list all of these products in the description box below. Make sure you check out their store on Amazon. I want to send a special thanks to Luxaza for entrusting me with your products and asking me to let my viewers know what I thought. And I'm so glad that everything went well, because I want to be as completely honest and truthful with you as possible. If they didn't work, I would have let you know they didn't work. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I love trying new makeup. I love playing with the makeup that I have. I upload videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. If you hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button, you will get notified every time that I upload. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a fabulous day.